What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick little lesson on how you can adjust your C5 hatch to try to get a little more clearance to help with opening, to ensure that your roof spoiler can open as smooth as possible. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have either two people, someone to help you, or some type of prop to put here, because we will be removing the gas struts. So the first thing you'd want to do is prop this open. Once you have this propped, you're going to come on in here and you're going to take this cord that's right here on the top of your gas strut off. There's one on the right side and there's one on the left side. Once you remove those, you're going to go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver and you're going to pop this metal retainer pin out on both sides, and that's going to allow your gas strut to come off your ball mount. Once those are removed, this hatch again is going to want to come crashing down, so make sure you either have someone holding it or you have it propped open. Once you have that done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to move to the inside and remove the inside trim panel on the underside of the halo. It's just held on by 4 simple little push clips, so it'll be really easy to take off. Alright guys, once you're on the inside of your car, you're going to go ahead and you're going to remove this upper panel. I've already did it so I can show you what it looks like a lot easier. It's simply held on by 4 little push tabs, 2 on either side. So you'll just pull those out with a body panel remover or like a flathead screwdriver. Once you remove those 4, you're going to go ahead and you're going to pry along this side, as you do have 4 retainer clips that will secure it in. So this will just pop down. Super simple. Alright guys, once you remove that panel, you're going to have access to these 2 bolts and those 2 bolts. You're going to go ahead and you're going to undo these. Once you undo all 4 of them, that's going to allow the hinge that's holding this on to come off. Once you go ahead and you take this hatch off, you're going to see the 2 hinges that are on the right and left, and on top of them you're going to have these shims. Mine had 3 on either side. So what you can do is you can go ahead and you can take them out one by one equally on the left and right side. I took all 3 out. What that's going to do is it's going to drop the hatch down a little bit beneath your halo body line to try to give us maximum clearance. However, the gap between the windshield and the halo bar when you open it is very, very fine tolerance. So as you take a look over here, come on this side. As you take a look over here, you'll see that everything up here clears, but on the corners, it gets extremely tight when it's completely open. So once you guys drop this hatch down and you can get as much clearance as possible, hopefully that will get you through. If not, you might have to do some fine sanding on the other side of the halo or maybe the roof spoiler, and that's why we recommend professional installation. Again, we took as much time as we possibly could to 3D scan the car and get this as close as we possibly can, but as you can tell, that tolerance is very, very fine. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you that quick little lesson to explain one of the ways that you could possibly adjust your hatch to get the absolute best fitment possible. Again, we recommend this be professionally installed. I hope you enjoy it. C5 base duckbill spoiler available in fiberglass or carbon fiber for your C5 base Corvette.